The best stuffed potatoes, you will not eat potatoes otherwise, are perfect for family gatherings. I am sure everyone will like the result. I'll start by cutting 3 potatoes in half, and then I'm going to cut the bottom of it this way like I'm doing. Then we will peel the potatoes with the help of a cuchillo. Then, with the help of a spoon, I will make a hole in the center, this way as I am doing. Guys, this recipe with potatoes is very delicious and is also super easy to make. I'm sure everyone will like the result. And so we should have our potatoes. In a pot, I will add all the potatoes with the hole in the center. And I will add water to cover them completely. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt. 2 bay leaves, which will give it a rich flavor. Cover and let cook over medium heat for 15 minutes or until soft. After the time, with a stick I will push them, and if it does not stay stuck to the potatoes then they are ready. I will turn off the stove and drain the water. While the potatoes cool, I will cut 120 grams of cheese, first into strips and then into very small cubes, in this way as I am doing. Also in the same way I will cut 120 grams of ham, first in strips, and like the cheese in cubes very small. Now in a bowl I will add the ham cut into small cubes. The cheese cut into small cubes. A little dehydrated parsley. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, although you can also use cream cheese. And I will mix very well to incorporate these ingredients. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Cecile Kabanda from Philippines, also for Sunthi Undi from India, and Hazel Chamba from Zambia. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Next, we will fill our potatoes already cooked with the mixture we have just made with ham and cheese. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love the potato, to send you a very special greeting. Once all the potatoes are filled, we will roll it with a little smoked bacon, or also known in some countries as bacon. And with a stick we are going to ensure it so that it does not unroll. In a refractory, I'm going to put all the potatoes wrapped in bacon. And I will add half a slice of mozzarella cheese on top, and then take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, until the cheese is very gratin. And already our potatoes stuffed with ham and cheese are ready. Look how incredible they have been, perfect to share with the family. But I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.